It's been a long time coming. Hello, welcome back. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Join the family. Set your notifications. That way, every time I upload, you will get a notification saying that I have uploaded a new video. And if you've been here 100 times or maybe even one, welcome back. Today, it's not gonna be a tutorial per se, although I will be doing a hairstyle. Today, we're gonna be talking about my life update. Let y'all know what's going on, okay? Without further ado, let's get started. I know this channel is mainly about hair, so we're gonna talk about hair. If you have not been watching my vlogs, then you wouldn't know it, but I highlighted my hair 2 months ago. Something I said I would never do. Yes, I did that. So today, I'm gonna be doing a braid out with perm rods on the ends because that's one of my favorite looks. It gives me a nice, fluffy, stretched look, and I like how it looks. I'm gonna be using, and I hope I pronounced this name right, Ajuwa Beauty Bio Mint Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. You can get this from Sephora. I had to get it once I found out it was Black owned. Oh my God. And once I found out that it's woman owned, woman founded, woman funded. And on top of that, she's a hairstylist. Ajuwa Beauty. So my hair is freshly washed and air dried. I had put it in a ponytail so that it can stretch a little bit. So yeah, life update. What have I been doing? What have I been up to? I have been working, okay, doing hair. I'm a hairstylist. I'm a natural hairstylist. If you didn't know that already, I've been in the shop doing other people's hair and not my own. So basically that's why I've been MIA. Ever since I purchased this house last June, I've really been just working and just fell into the routine of being back behind the chair again. If I would say that I miss this space, I definitely do. I'll confirm that. I totally miss being on YouTube full-time because I was able to be a full-time mother. I was able to be kinder to myself. I was able to tend to myself and my children a lot more in my home. And ever since I've been behind the chair, I've just been like stuck there. You know, I came back on here because I miss it. And I know I've kind of been neglecting my channel a little bit, and I'm sorry about that. I've been making vlogs because they're the easiest thing to make, but also the hardest thing to edit. So that's why I'm kind of inconsistent there. Just real quick, I want to tell y'all, I'm taking very large sections. I'm not parting it in any particular way. I'm gonna spray it a little bit just to kind of reactivate those hydrogen bonds in my hair. And then I'm gonna apply the Ajuwa Beauty. Now I wanna point this out. This is not just your normal gel. It looks like this, and the consistency is that of a cream gel, if that makes sense. It is extremely thick, and it's just kind of almost like a pudding in a way. Very, very dense. A little goes a long way. It has this certain hold to it. You'll see, watch. So when I put it in my hair, it literally like straightens my hair out. So once my hair is dry, it is so soft. It's almost as if I did not use like a gel product on my hair. So I love that about this product. I think that is very different in that it moisturizes my hair a lot more than what a traditional gel does. So yeah, I've just literally just been like tending to my job as a hairstylist and my clients. There's so many different things that go into being a hairstylist. And working for yourself is just a lot. And to balance YouTube into that, it's a lot. So if I can do this full time, I would, and I do want to start again. I just need you guys' support, and I know y'all need my consistency. So I'm gonna try to upload at least once a week. The thing that I'm having a hard time with is just trying to figure out where I wanna go content-wise, because I know that I'm known as yours naturally 11 and I'm the natural hair girl, but y'all, I have so many other interests, and I think that it's unrealistic for me, a mother of four, to always have my hair done and to always be able to produce hair content. That's really hard because hair has to be styled, dried, and then y'all already know if I'm doing a style during the day, I am not about to take it out before the nighttime. That is dumb. It takes time to produce hair content, and And let me tell y'all, truth be told, after doing everybody else's hair, the last thing I want to do is my own. Now let's talk about why I chose to color my hair. Being a hairstylist and doing other people's hair really gets you in the mood to do something different to your own hair. And I'm one that gets really bored really quick, especially when it comes to my hair. And being that after I had lavender, my hair has never really been the same in terms of thickness, density. It's just different. So I was like, you know what, to hell with it. I'm gonna highlight my hair. Now, do I regret it? Hell yes, I always do. I should have left the shit alone and I should have just put some freaking temporary color in my hair, but I'm so antsy and I'm so spontaneous that I'm like, whatever, let's do it. Every time, it never fails. I'm like, why the f did I do that to my hair? I'm one of those people like, I just want to cut my hair off if I don't like it. But at the same time, I like long hair, so I'm like, damn, now I gotta grow this out all over again. You know, and I'm not saying that my hair is damaged because it still curls, but of course, it's totally different from hair that's not color treated. So, you know, it brings on a whole new set of issues. Color treated hair is definitely not a low maintenance thing. It changes the whole composition of your hair. If you want to change your hair, so be it. Just know that it comes with a whole new set of issues. Okay, just know. They have all these new bonding, you know, treatments and stuff like that, and they work freaking wonders. That is why my hair is still on my head. But just to say, you still have to maintain it. It's a lot of maintenance. So I want to know in the comments though, should I transition or should I cut it off? Let me know in the comments down below. One thing y'all need to know about the way I'm doing my hair, a lot of the times when people do these sets, they twist the hair all the way down. One thing to know is that your hair is gonna come out crimpy on the ends and it's not gonna be cute. You want to stop the twist, and then where you stop it, that's where you're going to roll. And I like to start mid-twist. I don't like to like start on the ends. I like to twist it around. That way it's like a nice, beautiful spiral. I felt like I interrupted myself when I was talking about my content and stuff. So anyway, what I was saying was I'm having a really hard time transitioning my content, especially being that, you know, y'all are here for hair content. I just don't have the time anymore to do my hair as often as I used to. So I'm just having a hard time figuring out what kind of content I want to put out. Additionally, something that y'all don't know, if you're not a creator, baby, natural hair brands do not pay. And I'm not about to sit here and debate about my worth. Even these $1,000,000, multi-million-dollar brands, they claim they don't have the budget, and I just don't have time for it. Lifestyle brands and creators who do makeup and stuff and lifestyle content, they don't have a problem with paying these people, and like they also, as creators, don't have issues with getting paid what they're worth. And so like I feel like that's why the natural hair YouTube space is the way it is, because it's a niche market. Number one, you only cater to a very small audience, and number two, in order to maintain, you know, a certain level, you have to be able to get paid for it. You can't just continue to create free content all the time. Like, that's unrealistic. That's why you see like lifestyle bloggers and beauty gurus, they're going on trips, paid trips, they're living lavish, they drive, you know, nice cars and live in nice houses. And you know, people who do natural hair and natural hair only on YouTube, for the most part, if they're not expanding, if they don't have their own business, in which I don't, in terms of like, you know, to promote on my YouTube channel, then they're living very average lives. And I'm not gonna stay average, so my content has to and will change. Period. Y'all help me down below. Let me know what y'all are gonna support or what y'all would like to see. And yeah, that covers a lot right there. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. If y'all can see, like, y'all can see how small my braids are. My hair used to be a hell of a lot thicker than this. So this is my last one. I am gonna let this dry overnight. I'll go to sleep with it and take it out on camera. So see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. So I slept with these in my hair and I put a bonnet on my head, and now we're gonna take them out. And then after that, I have to go do my lashes. Then after that, I'm gonna work out. So I'm gonna sweat this out. I did this just for y'all. So first things first, you always want to put a little bit of lubrication on your hands before you start taking out a rod set. And I'm just putting some oil, rubbing it in my hands, and then taking them out. So, funny story, last night I got on my Instagram, I did a poll and I asked y'all if I should cut all my hair off again. And a lot of y'all saw this coming, which is hilarious because that means that y'all know me well. Most people said no, and a lot of people said yes. I'm just at a point in my life where I need something fresh, something new. And I was telling my sister last night, I was like, I cut all my hair off. I want a new tattoo and a new piercing. I will go short and do copper, like something like this. Y'all tell me what y'all think. So anyway, the way I'm taking these out is just basically the opposite way that I installed them. So just unrolling and then unbraiding. And the reason why I like this style, y'all, is because you literally can just cheat a perm rod set. You still get the perm rod set effect on the ends, but it's stretched out from the braids. Something's in my eye. However you set it, you curl it with your finger, because if you just let it go, it's gonna be frizzy. So like, make sure you roll it like you reestablish that curl. You want to remember how you set the curl. So I set it going back. So you want to twirl the curl back, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, I have one in the back. Now I'm just gonna pick it to make it a little bit bigger. All right, y'all, so this is the final result. So beautiful, so fluffy, so soft. Like I said, it's like almost as if I did not even use a gel. It's just such a soft hold, and it moves so much like you would not think that I used the gel. So if you were curious about the Ajuwa Beauty, definitely go pick it up. It is at your local Sephora, and this is not sponsored by them at all. If you like this video and want to see more of it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, leave some love in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.